So, good morning, ma'am. The assigned topic that I'm gonna report at this time is all about reporting and utilizing M&E, findings and structuring M&E reports. So, monitoring and evaluation M&E is the critical process of assessing the performance of effectiveness of program, projects, and policy. So the process involves collecting and analyzing data on program activities such as outcomes, outputs, and impact to determine either the desired result have been achieved. So first one is monitoring. This is the continuous process that involves the systematic collections and analyzing of data regarding projects activities and progress. It provides regular feedback to managers and stakeholders about the implementation of projects, helping to identify any issues or bottlenecks early on. Monitoring ensures that activities align with the project's objectives and allows for timely adjustment to improve performance. So the second one is the evaluation. In contrast, evaluation is the periodic and systematic assessment of a project's or program's relevance, effectiveness, efficiency, impacts, and sustainability. It aims to determine whether the project has achieved its intended outcomes and to provide insights into what worked, what didn't, and why. Evaluations are timely conducted at specific points in time, such as the time, the end, and the project after significant milestone. So, why does this matter? So, first is the transparency. They provide a clear view of project progress and outcomes, ensuring that all stakeholders are informed and involved in the decision-making progress and processes. So, second one is accountability. Accountability by tracking the reporting of project performance, they hold organizations accountable and for their actions and the impact of their work. So, the third one is allocation. So, the resource allocation, they help organizations identify areas where resources are needed and ensure that they are used effectively to achieve and desired results. So, the core principles of an M&E reports and are essentials of ensuring the effectiveness and impact of programs and interventions. So, these principles guide the design, implementation, and the evaluation of M&E systems. So, ensuring that they are relevant, effective, and sustainable over the long term here in the principle. So, the second one is the stakeholder participation. Engaging stakeholders in the planning, implementation, and evaluation of programs ensure that they met the needs of beneficiaries and other relevant actors. So, the third one is the independence and objectivity. M&E must be impartial and credible when evaluators' expertise and independence being crucial of success. So, participation and inclusivity involving local communities, CSOs, and government stakeholders in data collections and learning is important, respecting security, cultural, and political context in fragile environments. So, learning orientation. M&E should generate actionable insights to provide programs going beyond compliance. So, turn findings into an actions of M&E reports. To effectively turn findings, forms, and M&E reports into an actionable steps, organizations should identify the key findings inside the most significant insight from the report, such as areas of success, or challenges faced. So set clear objectives. Define the objectives based on their findings, ensuring they are specific, measurable, achievable, and relevant, and time-bound, which is the SMART. So develop indicators. Create new indicators that align with updated objectives, ensuring that they are quantifiable of related to the project's aims. So implement data collections method. Specific new methods for collecting data, ensuring reliability and validity. So the adapt strategies use the findings to adjust strategies and interventions, making them most effective and efficient. So informed decision making. Utilize to uploaded findings to inform strategic choices and decision about figuring actions. So next is that's all about the key takeaways of M&E report. So the key takeaway from an M&E report is the systematic process of tracking, progresses, measuring results, and assessing the overall impact of the program or initiative. M&E reports are crucial for evidence-based decision-making, demonstrating the return of investment for funders and providing a voice for beneficiaries. They bridge the gap between program and actions and understanding, presenting data on key metrics with clear explanations of their significance. So M&E reports are powerful tools for transparency and accountability. So enabling continuous learning and improvement and allowing for evidence-based adaptations to strategies to ensure the strongest possible positive. Of my presentation, thank you for watching and listening. May God bless us all.